What's up guys? In this video I'm going to teach you how to do the easy balloon sword. Alright guys, welcome to the School of Balloons. My name is Joey and I'm so glad you're here because we want to help you, the balloon twister, to start and grow profitable balloon twisting businesses. That's what we're all about. We want to give you guys the accountability, training, and also support that you need. So in this video, like I said, we're going to be doing that easy balloon sword. And if you want to subscribe below, go ahead and do that for more great content just like this. Let's get into that video right away. For this sword, you just need one 260. In this case, I have the dark blue. Go ahead and blow that up all the way so it's nice and flush on the end. Alright, we're going to start on that nub side of the balloon on the bottom. And you're going to start by twisting that first bubble to create the handle of the sword. Make it just big enough for your hand. As you squeeze up the balloon, you're going to make a loop twist, which is just like a circle right there, and then twist that into the top of the handle you just created. You're going to do this one more time and you'll be almost done. So just make one more loop twist the same exact size as you just did, and that's going to create the hilt of the sword. Just twist that in about 2 to 3 times. And then go ahead and make your adjustments. Alright, you have just made the balloon sword. Nice work. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on the easy sword. That's a really great balloon to start out with. So if you are just a beginner, go ahead and subscribe, like I said, for more great tutorials just like this, and also videos about how to do this as a business, how to make money with it. And if you want to go to our website, it's schoolballoons.com, where you can get a ton of free resources that's going to help you get to the next level. I'll see you guys later.